ちゃんズバンド。おじいちゃんズバンド。
Yeah, that is cute, huh?
Especially this one.
Yeah. Oh, look at those. Those are amazing.
Is it a cucumber?
Yeah. That's huge.
And onion.
Oh, look at how big those are.
$3?
$3 good.
I'd get cucumber too.
Yeah, it's a tiny cucumber.
Go ahead and wrap it out.
It's fine. It's not a big deal. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Oh, that's a golden eagle. Yeah, mini.
That perfect size too. That's awesome.
Metamorpho. He loves the attention. Yeah.
Oh. ここのベーカリーは人気です。
I know, that's where I was going to go.
Her name is Addie. What's his name? Yeah.
Hello.
Really good.
Cute.
You almost want to eat it, right?
プリティね。これとかもかわいい。
Goat milk soap.
そう。
Oh, this one's strong.
Doing well. Just to let you know, my favorite in there right now is that blackberry hand pie. It's a perfect combination of tart and sweet. And your quiche just has 2 more minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 more minutes? Okay, I'll be back. Yeah, sounds good.
あ、クッキーも美味しそう。
I'm gonna get a couple chocolate chips and a raspberry for me. What do you call them?
Hand pies.
Hand pies. Oh, that's pretty clever. What do you got? Can we open it?
Cream, almost like a pudding texture.
They call them hand pies. Never heard that before. It's cool.
Blueberry now.
バスケットがいっぱい。手作りのバスケット。
All of these are on sale today for $55. No matter what the price takes us. Those are. これ好き。
こっちが好き。マジで？
やっぱりこれも好き。
そうね。
がどいて。
これが好きマミちゃん。
がどいて。
なんかそれも可愛いと思った。ね
これ私のフェイブレット。
え。トシちゃんも欲しい？
Too expensive.
そんなに欲しくないってこと？
Nice.
でもこうやってショルダーに。
Those look good. They're all really nice. You gonna get one?
It's a tiny dog.
Oh yeah, that is tiny.
And I feel bad that I think young like
There you go. Let me see it. Yeah, it's nice. It looks good.
It's mine now.
Okay.
I accidentally grabbed 4.
グリーンティー。グリーンティー。
Look at that. Isn't hers pretty?
うん。綺麗。
Oh, that's like even prettier
Yeah.
than usual.
Not as beautiful as mine, but you know, still good.
Yeah.
friend, your friend to the end. I'm not your impression of a city wish you loved more than everything. I'm not here to criticize you. Your friend till the end. Different waves, different strands of light, primal codes, cryptic by design. We just float, like two floating ducks. The river's wide, there's no way to pose. And if you think you know what there's in store, hold on tight, you're out for some fun. And if you think you know what fate's in store, brace yourself for change. 'Cause you was never set in stone. And things go down with a magic of their own. When you think you gotta figure out, I just wait to drop you from the clouds. So we hand into holes of things, trying to guess what tomorrow brings. But as it worked, from Chicago we used to say Hold on tight. You're out for some fun. If you feel you know what fades inside.
切っていかないと。よっ。美味しいね。
나는 한여름에 어른이 되어서 갔었지. 서울이란 곳에 나 같은 얼굴이